Hello everybody, I'm gonna make the second part of the review I made for this watch a few years ago. This is the Swiss Army 500-meter sea driver. I've been using this watch almost daily for those years, and it's a very nice watch. Has a few scratches right now, but still looking in good condition. It's a very resistant watch. I hit that watch many times, and I also dropped this watch when I was playing soccer, and I noticed that nothing happened to the watch. I mean, it's still working. The bezel, very nice bezel. The clasps, the other kind of extension here, so it's close like that. So if you are considering that to buy a new watch, consider that option. It's a very good option, and it's a very nice looking watch. There it is, the Swiss Army 500-meter sea driver. Thank you. Bye.